Hello everyone, my name is Hương and currently I am an IELTS trainer at KTDC. I've been teaching English for over 9 years now, including general English, communication English, and academic English such as TOEIC and IELTS. In my class, I always try to create a friendly and supportive atmosphere so that my students can feel comfortable speaking up, asking questions, and even making mistakes. You know, learning a language can sometimes feel stressful, so I always to make sure that my English classroom is a safe place for my students to improve and practice their English. Actually, I don't believe in teaching shortcuts only, so instead I focus on building a strong foundation for my students, including grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and clear communication. I always try to give them detailed feedback during the class and also to have them see their real improvement in all four skills so that they have their motivation to continue with their learning journey in the future. Don't rush the process. That is the important key because a high band score comes from strong foundations and consistent practice. So just be patient with yourself, stay disciplined, and try to focus on improving your English ability. So everyone, if you're looking for a teacher who can support you with clear guidance, detailed feedback, and a suitable learning plan that suits your current level, come and study with me at KTDC IELTS.